Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your ECU Health Employee account. For this, you need to open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome. Now, bring up the search bar and type in ECU Health Employee Login and hit Enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link myecuhealth.org. Click on that link. Now, you will be taken to the new interface with a sign-in form. Now, just enter your user ID over here. Similarly, enter your password over here and select your language. Once you click on the sign-in button, you'll be able to access your account. That's all for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. Drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.